It is common to encounter missing data in datasets where no value is available for observation. In the Titanic dataset on your screen, missing data is highlighted in yellow. Scikit-learn, a popular Python library for machine learning, does not support missing values as input for machine learning models. Therefore, converting these values into numbers using a missing data imputation technique is important. To determine the appropriate technique, it is crucial to understand the extent of missing information in our variables. In this video, we will explore how to use Pandas to identify and measure missing data and create charts displaying the percentage of missing data per variable using matplotlib. First, open Windows Explorer and create a new folder for housekeeping tasks. I have named mine Feature Engineering, but you can choose any name or any folder you prefer. Once you have created the folder, open it and create a new subfolder specifically for this video. So I have named the folder Quantifying Missing Data as the video name and paste the titanic.csv file within this subfolder. The link is in the video description. This will allow you to follow along with this tutorial. We are going to open Jupyter Notebook file in this folder. Click Start. In the search tab, type Anaconda prompt.
If you cannot find Anaconda prompt, that means Anaconda distribution is not installed. So watch my video on installation of Anaconda distribution. That will install Python package as well. Link will be in the description and in the cards.
So at present we are in base environment and in C:, so we'll be working in base environment. If you want to create a separate environment, you can watch my video important conda commands. Link will be in the cards or the description. For this video, we'll need two libraries, Pandas for analyzing our data and matplotlib for visualization. Also, we'll install nbblack to format and prettify our commands. To check whether these three packages are installed in our base environment, you can type conda list and press enter. I see I have these packages installed in my base environment. If you do not have them installed, you can install them by writing the commands mentioned on the screen. Alright, so I will open my Jupyter Notebook in this file path. So I'll copy the file path from the address bar. First I will go to my E:, and then I will type cd space and paste the file path. Press enter. So I'm now in the file path, and here I will open Jupyter Notebook. So this is the Jupyter interface. To open Jupyter Notebook, click on New and Python 3. The first step is to name our file. So I'll name it Quantifying Missing Data. I'll create a header, import libraries and extension, and press escape 1 to make it as a header. Press shift enter. I'll import my libraries and extension. Import pandas, spd, import matplotlib, .pyplot, splt, and then we will load our extension nbblack. nbblack is used to format and prettify your command. Press shift enter. Let us now load the dataset. Assign a variable for our data, that is data is equal to pd.read_csv. I am pressing tab for auto completion, and then in parentheses quotes we'll type titanic.csv. Since Titanic is present in the folder where we have opened the Jupyter Notebook, like here, so you can just type titanic.csv and it will auto-complete it. Press shift enter, nothing happens because we have not called a variable. Call the variable data. Let us inspect the first 5 rows. So you can give data.head command and you can see the first 5 rows. To quantify the total number of missing values, we can use isNull method plus the sum method on the data frame. So let us see how we can use it. So first we'll give a command quantifying missing values. So we can data.isNull, press shift enter. So you can see we get a boolean output of true or false, where true is the missing value and the false is where the data is present. So you can just sum it in order to get the numbers. So here you can see in P class there is no missing value. In age we have 263, cabin we have 1014, and boat 823, body 1188, and home.destination 564. So this is the count of missing values, but the proper way is to find a percentage of missing values. So we can use mean method after isNull in place of sum. So we can do that like this, and here you can see the percentage of missing values. Also you can give into 100 in order to get the real percentages like 77%, 62. Body has 90% of missing values. Home destination has 43% and age has 20%. Alternatively, we can also plot the percentage of missing data utilizing Pandas plot.bar function and add labels with the matplotlib methods. So let us see that. I'll just insert few cells over here. So I'll type data dot is null dot mean. This will give me the output as the previous one. So I can further type plot dot bar. So it will give me a bar chart. Also, you can extend this bar chart by giving a command inside the bar parenthesis that will be fixed size. And these are the X and Y values. So as you can see, this is now much bigger and can be seen properly. Let us add labels using matplotlib. So plt.title, quantifying missing values. Press shift enter so you can see the title is over here. Similarly, we can give X labels and Y label as well. So plt.x label, press tab to autocomplete. Under quotes, type variable, also known as features, and plt.y label, we have percentage of missing values. So we have labeled the data. This is your Y label, this is your X label, and the title. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, so please consider subscribing to my channel. Your support motivates me to create more content like this, and I have a lot of ideas to teach you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.